Hey guys, I'm Michael Lown for TravelCostaRicaNow.com. So I'm in my town, which is La Fortuna, and I'm back in my neighborhood, which is Barrio Pilo, and I'm on my way to get my lunch actually. And I thought this might be a little good human interest story in these hard times. Hold on, let me switch over. You know, La Fortuna is 100% tourist town, and like many tourist towns anywhere in the world, you know, this place is devastated, man. Devastated. It's like being on the Titanic, watching yourself sink with no, life raft. So what happened in this town? A lot of people just left. A lot of locals went and back to their families, wherever they come from, to hunker down with their families. And a lot of places just out and out closed businesses. The other places just aren't, open. People are walking around like it's La Fortuna's alive, but it certainly is not. And I know there's a lot of places in the world the same. I'm not trying to say that, but I don't want to talk about that. I want to talk about the good things. So here's what's going on. So a lot of people are going, man, they work in the tourist industry. They're obviously unemployed right now. So they're trying to make money, man. And just instead of just sitting around doing nothing and waiting, there's a lot of people trying to do things. And so the person I'm going to go get my lunch from, he made his little house into like a kitchen, and he serves food. Not really a restaurant, but it's more like para llevar, which is, just pick up your food, order it and just pick it up and leave. There's a lot of people doing a lot of things. Some people are renting their house or their cars out for people. Some people are like making bracelets and selling them on Instagram. There's all kinds of ways people are trying to make money here. Some people are using their cars for, we call them paratas here, like taxi drivers, but not legal. So there's a lot of people trying to, make ends meet, basically. So where am I going? Okay, here I am. So this guy's name is Tito, and he's been making food for about 4 months now out of his house. And, and plus he's open 24 hours. He'll actually get up at 2 in the morning and cook you whatever you ordered. That's just, and I love this. People are trying, man. They're trying. There he is right there. ¿Cómo estás, Tito? ¿Qué tal?
Hello.
Oh my gosh. Wait, ¿qué está cocinando?
Estamos haciendo pollo, hamburguesas y sushi de pollo.
Oh my God, this is dedication. So he's making me a hamburger today and some sushi, I think. And the sushi, I believe he calls it a Tico roll. It's not a California roll, it's a Tico. So welcome to Tito's kitchen.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Pura vida. Aquí preparando una deliciosa hamburguesa y un rico sushi.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Sí.
Now, he told me he makes the best hamburger in all of La Fortuna.
Yes.
But my problem is, honesty can be a little awkward. And so, I don't know, maybe I should taste it and I'll tell you later if I really liked it or if it was the best. He doesn't speak great English, so he doesn't know I just said that. Anyway, let's see what he's doing over here. So, Tito, ¿qué tipo de comida preparas aquí?
Comida típica costarricense, comida rápida y lo que las personas deseen también.
Oh my God, did you guys get all that?
Mucho queso. Okay.
All right, man, I'm very excited. Sometimes, excuse me. Sometimes he lets me eat here, but usually I just pick it up and take it. And all his plates here are 3,000 colones, which is maybe like, let's say $5 or $5.50 or whatever. But I don't really care about that. Actually, what I kind of like is just trying to support somebody that's trying to help themselves. So that's why I try to come here 2-3 times a week if I can. So anyway, man, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna take a bite now. I'm gonna take a bite now of this.
Yes.
Wait, let me switch over. All right, man, I'm gonna try this right here. What do I do? So we call this a Tico roll?
Tico roll. Pollo, queso crema y plátano maduro. Delicioso.
All right, let's go.
Esta es nuestra mayonesa chipotle. Delicioso.
Okay. He wasn't lying. Okay, Rico, Tito. Oh my God.
Sí.
All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here and actually go eat this. Anyway, man, props to Tito for doing this stuff, man. Trying to make a bad situation a little better for himself. Anyway, guys, I'm Michael Allen for Travel Costa Rica Now. That's Tito.
Hey, pura vida, Costa Rica.
Peace, guys. Hope it helps.